Hello, this video will be about Pete the cat. We're going to draw Pete the cat rocking in his school shoes. So first, to start Pete the cat, what we're going to do is we're going to make the top of his head right up about here, and I'm just going to make a slight curve. Now I'm going to make a line out and another diagonal line out on each side. On this side I'm going to come straight down, do the same thing over here, I'm going to come straight down. Now we're going to make two diagonal lines in to finish the face. Here to there. Now I'm going to make the eyes on the face. Make a curve here. He's got big eyes. Here. All right. And I'm going to make a triangle right in there. And another here. And another triangle here. And another here. Now I'm going to make the bottom of the eyes. Another curve down. Now let's make the nose. It's like an upside down triangle. Right here, I'm going to fill this in black. I'll make it a little wider there. Now we're going to carefully do his body. So, on the side of the face, right here, I'm just going to make a line to about there. Curve it around. Now right here, another line and curve it around. Put another curve here. Okay. Now, right here, I'm going to take on this side, take this line, and step, about right there. Okay, so right where that bends. Now, I'm not going to do the rest of his body. I'm going to do his guitar. So how we're going to do the guitar is I'm going to go to this side here and I'm going to make a curve like this. Okay? Now if I went through the arm, I'm not going to go through the arm. I'm going to see if a line like skip over here. I'm going to make a curve here. It's almost like an S curve, what we call an S curve. It almost looks like a swirl. And I want to do the same thing on this side. I'm going to come up like that. All right? Now, back here, I'm going to make like a diagonal rectangle. I'm going to make a line right up to here. So I'm going to go from here make a line straight up. All right. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go out and in, out and around. Okay, so this is going to be the guitar string. So I'm going to make 3 more. Here's one, it goes under his paw, And I'll make another one right there, about right here. Okay. I'm gonna make a line down here. And about right here, I'll put a diagonal line. And I'm going to attach it. I'm going to go just like this curve. Make 3 circles. 1, 2, 3. Now let's make the top of the guitar. 2 lines out. Connect them. Diagonal line, diagonal line, connect those two. We'll make 3 circles on each side. And here, I'm going to make 3 little rectangles. Now, I'm going to make the rest of his arm. So I'm going to have it go to here to here. Right like that. Another line. I'm going to make his paw. He's holding the guitar. Now let's make these strings, or these, I'm going to make these not the strings, I'm going to make some lines, some straight lines going this way. I'm going to do the rest of his body. Now, if I'm going too fast, just pause the video. Okay, so I'll make a straight line down to about here and go to the other side and go down to about here. All right, so let's make the shoes. I'm going to come out, and they're big shoes, and around, into about here, stop, skip over here, go out and around to about there. Go up, 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 but not all the way. Up, 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 but not all the way. Okay. Right here, I'm going to make a curve. And on the other side, I'll do the same thing. I'm going to make the flap of this shoe. But I'm only going to go halfway here. Go on the other side, do the same thing. I'm going to bring this down to here, right in the middle there, and stop, down to there. Make a line in. On the other side, make a line in. I'm going to attach this line to that line. Down here, I'm going to make circles. And on this side, circles. We're going to make some laces, little curves. And over here too. Now for the rest of the body, put a line across. Now Pete has one more thing when he's going to school. He wears his backpack. So for the backpack, I'm going to come up here to where my face attaches to the body. Go on the other side and make a V. Now another line that follows 2 lines I just made. Now let's make the pack part. Right in this corner, slight diagonal out, okay? And I'm going to bring it curve down. A line across. And another line down. And there you have it, Pete the cat, going to school. And when you color it in, remember Pete is blue, you can color the guitar whatever you want, but his was red, and his bright red school shoes. Don't forget those. Okay, have fun coloring.